you get it?
Yeah, it was getting burnt.
Damn.
You can see.
From like right there, huh?
The whole thing.
Oh, shit.
One down. 3 more to go.
God damn. So you just like screw them on?
Yeah, literally, dude.
That's basically
This
it.
is what you paid for.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
I paid like, I think I paid $250.
$250?
Yeah.
Dude, you should have gave it to me. I would have charged you like 25
Fuck.
bucks.
So, like an hour ago, was it? I think it was, right? Yeah, so 2 or 3 hours ago, I was like in another town.
This one's worse.
Oh, for real? Damn.
Fuck.
Yeah, so I was in Lincoln today,
Oh, shit.
and I went to go visit my sister, and my tire just popped out of nowhere. And so, yeah, the car looks really weird, but important was that I had like a mini jack to jack up the car, and then I took the tire out and replaced it, and then I came over here so my friend can help me. So we already took it to a tire repair shop. So we're gonna jack up the car once we're done with the spark plugs here.
Fucking son of a bitch, this shit's... Fuck.
Oh crap. But yeah, we're gonna change the tire, and right now he's changing the spark plugs out.
I should've... No, actually, what the fuck?
Another problem?
No.
Oh.
I just never realized this other coating was there.
Oh.
Don't buy Scion TCs.
Yeah.
No, I'm just kidding. Go ahead. They're good cars.
Ricer cars here.
Shut up. Have you seen your Altima?
Yeah, man. JDM, bro.
Okay. Ricer, bro.
I don't know, bro.
4th one out?
Scion banner. What, 50 horsepower?
Shut up.
Just fine.
There we go.
Are those the old ones?
Yeah. No shit.
They look new to me.
There we good.
Alright. So, do you have the new ones here?
Yeah.
With you?
Come on, guys. Come on, vamos. Everybody, let's go.
Oh my god.
I know we can do it. Don't know how this song goes, but yeah. Yeah, here are the new ones.
Okay.
Old versus the new. Out with the old. In with the new. I don't want to over tighten this stuff either.
Are you supposed not to?
No, because you don't want to over tighten it and then break this.
Oh shit. You should just like tight. Go at it until it gets tight.
Yeah, pretty much.
Did you already put it in?
Yeah.
Is this your second one?
Second one.
Second one here.
This is what you paid for, kid. Tell them how much you paid for this.
Like 200?
That's not what you told me. Stop taking those 50 bucks out.
Shut up.
You paid $250.
So I'm never going to mechanic.
That's where you come to me.
Yeah, you come to him.
Yeah, hit me up. I do it for a fairly good price. And I mean, you can trust somebody when they're wearing chanclas, you know. Oh shit. Actually, no. I've never put spark plugs in. This is my first time doing it.
Really?
Yep.
Well, there's always a first time in everything, right?
Not everything.
True.
Not everything.
True.
Alright.
Did it fall in there?
Fucking A.
It's right here, dude.
Where? Oh.
What the? You're so blind. It was
something else that's gonna come soon, guys and girls. You see these? Those are called horns. They're gonna get replaced. They're gonna be like I'm thinking about of a red or a white color. I don't know. I feel like I'm going with white because as you can see, my rims, they're white. And then if you follow me, decal, it's white. Can't go wrong with that. And then if you follow me again, can't go wrong with that either. And then if you follow me again, you can't go wrong with this either. Just kidding.
Go.
Alright, so after you get the spark plugs put in, all you pretty much gotta do is hook your cables back up into there. And now, as you take them off, make sure you line them up so you know which one goes where. So like this one here. And then the last one goes in there. Just so you don't get them confused and your car runs good.
Yeah.
Alright. So yeah, once you get that put in, it should all be good to go. And I just gotta put my cover back on and we're good. But before I even put that on, I'm gonna go start it, make sure it runs and it's getting spark and everything, so.
Okay, we just got done doing the spark plugs. Now, we're gonna do my oil change. So yeah, okay guys, so we're back in my place now, and something crazy just happened. He went to get like the filter cup thing, and a big spider just popped out of nowhere. And shit, I'm kind of scared, but.
Ow! Ow!
Are you alright?
I burned myself.
Fuck.
Ow.
Shit.
Oh.
I think it's too hot, no? Yeah. You're still gonna do it?
Yeah. What? Come here. Come here. Where's the thing?
But like I was saying, the spider. Dude, I'm scared to get close by here. That spider was freaking huge. Where the fuck it went? I'm glad it left.
I don't know how to approach it with your car.
Damn.
Dude, these people at the dealership tying this shit way too much. There we go.
Holy fuck.
Fuck, I hurt my knee there.
Ah, shit.
Ow! Damn it!
Is it too hot still?
Yeah, I'm burning myself all over.
Do you want some gloves?
No.
You sure?
Alright. This is gonna be hot as a bitch. Yeah, buddy. There we go.
Red thing. Or actually we'll see. Hold on. Just leave it.
shit, what the?
What?
Alright.
Oh, there's one over here. Putting in the oil right now, and I don't know what we're gonna do next. I don't know what we're gonna do next. Okay.
There goes your damn mind.
And there it goes.
Damn, Gio!
Oh my gosh, it's fucking heavy. This shit's heavy. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next vlog.